What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today I have 3 really easy slime recipes that are all unicorn themed, so I am super excited. Let's get started, shall we? First up, we are starting with the iconic unicorn poop. It's a super easy butter slime, so just go ahead and empty some school glue into a bowl, and then you're gonna wanna go ahead and activate that. This is super easy. You can add lotion and scent to this if you want, but I'm trying to make this super easy. So the activator that I'm using is a borax solution. Just add it in a little bit at a time, stirring after every single time that you add it in until your slime is formed. Once your slime is formed, you basically have a school glue slime here, and you can stop here if you wanted to and color it, but I'm going to go ahead and take it one step further and make it a butter slime. So to make this slime a butter slime, we obviously have to add in some clay, so I'm adding in some Daiso clay here. I don't know if it's just me, but lately the Daiso clay that I've been buying, it's been drying out on the sides, so I just went ahead and squeezed the sides of it just to see if it was already dry or not, and then I just tore those pieces off. That way we don't get some clay chunks that won't dissolve in our slime. We want to make sure that it's nice, smooth, and buttery. Let me know if this is happening to y'all as well. I don't know if it's just me and my luck, or maybe I just bought like a bad batch of Daiso, who knows. Alrighty, once all the clay is mixed in fully, you have a nice butter slime, and you could definitely stop here, but we're making a unicorn, so it has to be rainbow colored, and not just any rainbow, but the electric rainbow. So now we have it colored here. They're nice, neon, and bright, and perfect for unicorn poop. So to get that iconic unicorn poop swirl, you're definitely going to want to go ahead and smash the colors together and kind of roll it into a log. I find that works best. And then basically just make a regular slime swirl and you have yourself a unicorn poop swirl. Alrighty, so as you can see, the color definitely does not last long. It goes from unicorn to poop really fast, but it's such an iconic slime. I feel like everybody has made a unicorn poop slime at some point. Next slime we're making is a unicorn glitter bomb. This one is super fun. I haven't made a crunchy glitter slime in such a long time, so all I did was take some clear glue and some blue food coloring and just added that into a bowl. I didn't want to add too much blue food coloring. I just wanted like a little bit of a tint, so I tried my best to not add too much. Once my color was mixed in with the glue, it is time to activate. Same instructions as before, just add it in a little bit at a time, stirring after every single time that you add it in until your slime forms. Now that my slime is perfect, I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to a bowl and let it sit for a couple of days so it can clear up. And just like that, don't you just love movie magic? Our slime is clear and I love it so much. It was a little bit melted because I had it in my garage, I'm not gonna lie, but it's perfect for this because we want it to be a little bit sticky so that it holds all of our glitter in, because we're gonna be adding a lot of it. Now it's time for my favorite part. I'm gonna go ahead and add the slime into the bowl and we're going to layer a bunch of glitter on top of it. I have so much glitter to put in this slime, all unicorn themed of course. So we have unicorn glitters, holographic heart glitters, and different stars and hearts. It's just gonna be so beautiful. Look at that, 100% unicorn approved, super sparkly and colorful. I love it so much. Now all that's left to do is mix it in. And the last slime recipe for you all today is going to be unicorn snot. This is going to be a simple, thick, and glossy slime recipe. However, I'm going to play with it in a different kind of way, and I'm super excited to show you. So in a bowl, I added in some glue all and then some clear glue and a little tiny bit of school glue as well, just for the stretch of it. You know, we're trying to make this easier. If you wanted, you could just add glue all and clear glue and add in some lotion. However, I wanted it just to be super simple, just glues, because this is an easy recipe video for you all. So, you go ahead and activate the slime just like the other slimes before. Activate it until it comes together. Once your slime comes together, you can go ahead and color it. I decided to split mine in half and do one side pink and one side purple because this is unicorn snot after all. And then taking a cookie drying tray, I just put the slime over it and let it drip. It's as simple as that. Looks like unicorn snot and it's really fun to play with. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know which of the recipes were your favorite. Unicorn poop is obviously my favorite all the time because it's such a classic. Again, if you're new here and you liked the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also give it a thumbs up. Here are today's Unicorn Fam shoutouts. Thank you all so much for being here. I love y'all. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much and I will see you all next time. Bye!